Well, the inside of the truck's looking great. Amy did a real thorough cleaning job on it. Got a lot of the stains out of the rugs and the seats, and I just got stuff in here now, but they do look really good. The back's all clean. Looking really good inside. So I also thought I'd better check all the fluid levels again. So after running it for 15 or 20 minutes driving down here, I checked the transmission fluid. With it running, you put it in, or hold down on the brake, put it in the different gears, come back to park, and then check it right here. And you're checking for the hot level, because after running it 15-20 minutes it should be hot. At least I think it should be. I also checked the and for the transmission fluid, I ended up getting, right here it is, and it says it's for imports, and it did say that it covered the type that I needed, so that's what I ended up getting. And it turns out your power steering is the same from what I'm reading and looking online. So I brought that up to the hot level. I'm not going to open this up because it is hot, but I can see the reservoir has about the right amount in. Our windshield washer fluid is good. Topped that off the other night. I'm not sure, I can't remember what this one is. But it looks like it's at the right level, as far as I can tell. Maybe I'll have to look at that a little closer. Yeah, I gotta get my glasses on to look at that. I did check the engine oil. That was nice and full. And that, if I needed more, would be right here to fill it. So this is the only other one. I can't think right now what it is. It's not the power steering, but I will figure that out when I get my glasses on. Okay, so otherwise, I think I've checked the levels. The tires have been holding now for like 3 years after doing the Z-Zip on the aluminum alloy rims, which is perfect. I used to have to pump them up every week, and even then it was like down to 20 some. So I could have pumped them up every day. And we would reseal them with the traditional stuff, and it would last a month or two, and then they'd be doing the same thing. Now when it was new, brand new, it did last for a while. I don't remember, it was a few years, and then it started losing consistently, but the Z-Zip method took care of that. Let's see, I do have some touch-up to do on it, and I did get some detailing cream I want to try on the black surfaces. Oh, and then this is the next thing. We're going to start on the bed. So that's going to be interesting. I know there's issues underneath, and I'm sure when we take out this bed liner, it's going to reveal them. So we'll try to get them fixed, and then we'll put the bed liner back in. And then the tonneau cover, which I already ordered and have. I pulled it out of the box, and it does appear to be the right size and should fit. So that'll be our last step that I can think of. Oh, yeah, I do want to get an onboard diagnostic tool, because there is still a check engine light on. I don't know if it needs to be reset and then see if it happens again, or maybe there's a sensor that's bad. But after I take care of the box, I'll start looking into that, investigating it. Otherwise, we did haul some firewood, and I plan on doing another load today.